Namaste dear children, I am Rekha. Welcome to my channel Rekha's Knowledge Hub. Today we will see in CRT Class 6 Maths Chapter 7 Fractions Part 2. Measuring using fractional units. Take a strip of paper. We consider this paper strip to be 1 unit long. So you take a paper strip, fold the strip into 2 equal parts and then open up the strip again. You just fold the strip into 2 equal parts and then open up again. Taking the strip to be 1 unit in length, what are the lengths of the 2 new parts of the strip created by the crease? Suppose this strip, if you open after folding, you will get 2 parts like this. See, each part is 1 by 2. Okay, each part is 1 by 2. There are 2 parts, so each part is 1 by 2. What will you get if you fold the previously folded strip again into 2 equal parts? You will now get 4 equal parts. So, if you fold the previously folded strip again into 2 equal parts, you will get 4 equal parts like this. In this picture, you can see. So, here you have 4 parts. So, each part is 1 by 4. If you take 2 parts, then it is 2 times 1 by 4, that is 2 by 4. If you take 3 parts, it is 3 times 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. If you take 4 parts, then it is 4 times 1 by 4, that is 4 by 4 is equal to 1. See this picture? Here the strip is divided into how many parts? 8 parts. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, total 8 parts are there. So, each part is 1 by 8. There are total 8 parts. So, each part is 1 by 8. Then, if you take 2 parts, then it is 2 times 1 by 8. If you take 3 parts, it is 3 times 1 by 8, that is 3 by 8. If you take 4 parts, then it is 4 times 1 by 8, that is 4 by 8. If you take 5 parts, then it is 5 times 1 by 8, that is 5 by 8. If you take 6 parts, it is 6 times 1 by 8, that is 6 by 8. If you take 7 parts, it is 7 times 1 by 8, that is 7 by 8. And if you take 8 parts, it is 8 times 1 by 8, that is 8 by 8 is equal to 1. So, fractional quantities can be measured using fractional units. Let us look at another example. See this circle, this represents a full roti or whole roti. See the next one, this is half roti, that is half, 1 times half. Next one, half plus half, that is 2 times half. Then half plus half plus half, that is 3 times half. The next figure, half plus half plus half plus half, that is 4 times half. The next figure, half plus half plus half plus half plus half, that is 5 times half. We can describe how much the quantity is by collecting together the fractional units. Figure it out. Continue this table of half for 2 more steps. See first one, only 1 half. So, half, 1 times half. Then, next you have 2 halves. So, half plus half, 2 times half. Then 3 halves. So, half plus half plus half, 3 times half. Then 4 halves, that is half plus half plus half plus half, that is 4 times half. Then 5 halves, half plus half plus half plus half plus half, that is 5 times half. The next one, half plus half plus half plus half plus half plus half, that is 6 times half. Next one, half plus half plus half plus half plus half plus half plus half, that is 7 times half. Can you create a similar table for 1 by 4? Instead of half, can you create a table for quarter? That is 1 by 4. See, here each part is 1 by 4. Okay. So this is 1 by 4. Then 2 quarters, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Okay. Then next 3 quarters, that is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Okay. Next one, 4 quarters, that is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Make 1 by 3 using a paper strip. Can you use this to also make 1 by 6? So, you take a paper strip like this and you can make 1 by 3 by dividing this into 3 equal parts. See, now you have 3 equal parts. Each part is 1 by 3. Then using this same strip, you can make 1 by 6. So, each 1 by 3, if you divide, you will get 1 by 6. See, like this. So, each part is 1 by 6. Draw a picture and write an addition statement as above to show 5 times 1 by 4 of a roti. See, 5 times 1 by 4 of a roti. So, this is the picture. This is 1 by 4 roti. 5 times 1 by 4. The whole picture is 5 times 1 by 4. Okay. So, that is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. The next is 9 times 1 by 4 of a roti. You can draw a picture like this. See, you have 9 quarters. So, 1 by 4 plus 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 1 by 4. That is 9 times 1 by 4. Match each fractional unit with the correct picture. See, first fractional unit is 1 by 3. So, this is 1 by 3. See here, 3 parts are there. So, each part is 1 by 3. Next, 1 by 5, it is not there. The next is 1 by 8. So, this is 1 by 8. Here, 8 equal parts are there. So, each part is 1 by 8. Next is 1 by 6. So, here, 6 equal parts are there. Each part is 1 by 6. Reading fractions. We usually read the fraction 3 by 4 as 3 quarters or 3 upon 4. But reading it as 3 times 1 by 4 helps us to understand the size of the fraction because it clearly shows what the fractional unit is 1 by 4 and how many such fractional units 3 there are. Recall what we call the top number and the bottom number of fractions. In the fraction 5 by 6, 5 is the numerator and 6 is the denominator. So, the top number is numerator and the bottom number is denominator. Marking fraction lengths on the number line. We have marked lengths equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. units on the number line. Now let us try to mark lengths equal to fractions on the number line. Now we can mark fractions on the number line. What is the length of the blue line? See this blue line. Can you say the length of this blue line? Write the fraction that gives the length of the blue line in the box. See, here up to here it is 1. Here it is 2. So, between 0 and 1, the middle line, it is 1 by 2. So, the distance between 0 and 1 is 1 unit long. It is divided into 2 equal parts. So, the length of each part is half unit. So, this blue line is half unit long. So, the distance between 0 and 1 is 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. 1 unit long. And this 1 unit, it is divided into 2 equal parts. So, each part is half unit. So, this blue line is half units long. Now, Can you find the lengths of the various blue lines shown below? Fill in the boxes as well. Here, the fractional unit is dividing a length of 1 unit into 3 equal parts. Write the fraction that gives the length of the blue line in the box or in your notebook. See, here it is 0, here it is 1. And the length of 1 unit is divided into how many equal parts? 3 equal parts. See, 1, 2 and 3. 3 equal parts. So, here, one part is 1 by 3. So, 2 parts is 2 by 3. Next one, here a unit is divided into 5 equal parts. Write the fraction that gives the length of the blue line in the respective boxes or in your notebook. See, this is 0, this is 1. This 1 unit, it is divided into how many parts? 5 parts. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, here 1 unit is divided into 5 equal parts. So, 1 unit is divided into 5 equal parts. So, each part is 1 by 5. So, here the first part, if you take first part, it is 1 by 5. If you take second part, it is 2 by 5. Then third part, it is 3 by 5. Fourth one, it is 4 by 5. Now, a unit is divided into 8 equal parts. Write the appropriate fractions in your notebook. So, 1 unit, it is divided into 8 equal parts. So, the parts are 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8 and 8 by 8. 8 by 8 is equal to 1. Figure it out. On a number line, draw lines of lengths 1 by 10, 3 by 10 and 4 by 5. So, here, see, this is 0, this is 1. So, 1 unit is divided into 10 equal parts. So, each part is 1 by 10. 1 unit is divided into 10 equal parts. So, each unit is 1 by 10. See, this is 1 by 10. So, this one 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10, 5 by 10, then 6 by 10, 7 by 10, 8 by 10, 9 by 10, 10 by 10. That is 1. So, we have to mark 1 by 10. So, this is 1 by 10. Next, 3 by 10. See, 1 by 10, this is 2 by 10, this is 3 by 10. Okay. Then, now, we have to mark 4 by 5. So, here, 1 unit is divided into 5 equal parts. 5 equal parts. So, this is 1 part, second part, third part, fourth part, then fifth part. 1 unit is divided into 5 equal parts. So, this part is 1 by 5. See, this is 1 by 5 and this is 2 by 5. This part is 3 by 5 and we have to mark 4 by 5. See, here it is 4 by 5. Okay. Write 5 more fractions of your choice and mark them on the number line. You can mark like this. See, if you divide 1 unit into 10 equal parts, then each part is 1 by 10. So, this is 1 by 10, 2 by 10, this is 3 by 10. Then 4 by 10, this is 5 by 10. This one 5 by 10. Then 6 by 10, then this is 7 by 10, then 8 by 10, 9 by 10. Okay, this is 9 by 10. This is 10 by 10, that is 1. Then, if you divide 1 unit into 5 equal parts, then this is 1 by 5. This is 2 by 5, 3 by 5. This is 4 by 5. This is 5 by 5, that is 1. How many fractions lie between 0 and 1? Think, discuss with your classmates and write your answer. Infinite fractions lie between 0 and 1. Number of fractions are infinite. What is the length of the blue line and black line shown below? The distance between 0 and 1 is 1 unit long and it is divided into 2 equal parts. The length of each part is 1 by 2. So the blue line is half units. See, distance between 0 and 1 is 1 unit. And this is divided into 2 equal parts. So each part is 1 by 2. So the length of blue line is half unit. Write the fraction that gives the length of the black line in the box. See the black line. See the distance between 1 and 2 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So, this 1 unit is divided into 2 equal parts. So, each part is half. So, here it is 1. 1 plus half is how much? 1 plus half, that is 3 by 2. 1 plus half is, you have to take LCM. See, LCM is 2. So, here see 1 into 2 is 2. So, multiply 2 with numerator also. So, 1 into 2 is 2. Then, see the next fraction 1 by 2. See, 2 into 1 is 2. So, 1 into 1 is 1. So, 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. So, the black line is 3 by 2. Write the fraction that gives the lengths of the black lines in the respective boxes. See, here it is 0, here it is 1. See, 1 unit is divided into 5 equal parts. So, each part is 1 by 5. Okay, each part is 1 by 5. Here also, the distance between 1 and 2 is 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 1 is divided into, 1 unit is divided into 5 equal parts. So, each part is 1 by 5. So, this box contains 1 plus 1 by 5. Here, instead of 1, you can write 5 by 5. Okay. So, here each part is 1 by 5. Instead of 1, you can write 5 by 5. So, 5 by 5 plus 1 by 5 is here. See, denominators are same. So, you can write 5 itself. Then 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay, 5 plus 1 is 6. So, this box contains 6 by 5. Next box 7 by 5. Then 8 by 5, 9 by 5. Then 10 by 5 is 2. 6 by 5 plus 1 by 5, that is 7 by 5. 7 by 5 plus 1 by 5, that is 8 by 5. 8 by 5 plus 1 by 5 is 9 by 5. 9 by 5 plus 1 by 5 is 10 by 5, that is 2. Children, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. We will see in the next video. Thank you.